Early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. बच्चों, आप सबने सनराइज देखा होगा और रात को चंदा मामा को भी देखा होगा। हम सब अर्थ पर रहते हैं, पर क्या आपको पता है कि इस सोलर सिस्टम में सन, मून और अर्थ के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होता है। सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर आवर सोलर सिस्टम। Children, there are 8 planets in our solar system. See here, children, I hope you can visualize. Sun and the objects around it comprise the solar system. Now, you might be thinking, what are planets? Planets are a celestial body moving in an orbit around a star. Children, celestial means relating to the sky. Now you might be wondering about orbit. Well, don't worry. Your Rashmi ma'am has got you covered. An orbit is a regular repeating path that one object in space takes around another one. Like Earth revolves around Sun in its orbit. Now moving on to Sun. The Sun lies in the center of the solar system. It gives heat and light to planets in the system. Light from the Sun reaches Earth in approximately 8 minutes. Without the Sun, life is not possible on Earth. Sun's light is very strong, so we should avoid looking at the Sun directly as it could damage our eyes. Now moving on to Mercury. Mercury, also known as the swift planet, is the smallest and the closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system. Moving on to Venus. Venus, also called as a morning star, is the second closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. On bright days, Venus is visible through the naked eye because it is also one of the brightest planets. Moving on to Earth, the third planet in the solar system, is the only known planet in the whole universe which can sustain life, nicknamed as the blue planet. Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 Earth days. The presence of water and oxygen is what makes Earth sustain life. बच्चों, आपको चंदा मामा को देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो आओ जाने चंदा मामा के बारे में भी। There is a moon which revolves around Earth. It is not a planet, rather it is a satellite of Earth. Right, children? Now moving to Mars. Mars, also known as the red planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is considered to be a cold planet and has certain physical and geographical features that are similar to the Earth. It is most likely to be the next home for human beings after the Earth. Now moving on to Jupiter. Jupiter's nickname as the giant planet of the solar system is fifth in line from the Sun and is the biggest known planet so far. बच्चों आपको यहाँ पर लाल लाल रंग के स्पॉट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So we can say it is also has great red spots and cloud bands surrounding the planets. Now moving on to Saturn. तो बच्चों सैटर्न के चारों ओर तरफ हम क्या देख रहे हैं? Rings. So Saturn is known as the ring planet because of the numerous rings around it, which are mainly made up of ice particles. It is sixth in line from the Sun. Now, moving on. Yes, moving on to Uranus. Uranus is the oldest planet in the solar system. It is seventh in line from the Sun. The last planet in the line is Neptune. Thus, there are a total of 8 planets in our solar system. Children, as you all are young scientists, so you should know something extra. Do you know that once there were 9 planets in our solar system? Ninth one was Pluto. But scientists found out that it was too small to be called as a planet. So they put it under the category of dwarf planets. My dear champs, now you know how vast and amazing the solar system is. It is a box of mysteries which young gems like you can decode. Thank you, children. Happy learning.